everybody, Brittany here over at Chrysler, just here to show you this pre-owned 2017 GMC Terrain that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a walk around the Terrain today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this Terrain is in your SLE trim level, so you do get a great blend of features in it. Coming around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped back there. Checking out the cargo space in the back, you can see a decent amount of room back there to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. You also do have your spare tire just tucked in beneath there. Now this Terrain also does offer all-wheel drive capabilities, giving you some great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Just to take a peek inside, so in that back seat you can fit up to 3 passengers. You can see the legroom there. Passengers can sit quite comfortably. Seats themselves are a cloth seat and are in good condition across the unit as well. Taking a peek at some of the features up front here. So you do have your touchscreen display up here, so of course access to all of your audio media controls built in there. Bluetooth capabilities also accessible as well. Just below that, all of your climate control options, as you can see in through there. You do have your heated front seats. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to, again, all of your Bluetooth capabilities, audio media controls, cruise control options just in on that left hand side. Of course, all of your power windows, locks, side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this Terrain does have 130,394 kilometers currently on it. So that's just a quick look at this pre-owned GMC Terrain. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-594-2277 or follow the links below.